Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate customization guide for iOS 17 on the new iPhone 15 Pro. This video will show you how to make your iPhone look stunning and function like a dream. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the home screen. iOS 17 has introduced some amazing new features that make customizing your home screen easier and more fun. Widgets. Widgets are now more interactive. Long press on your home screen, tap the plus icon and explore the new widgets available. You can stack them, resize them, and even add smart stacks that change based on your usage. Now you can swipe right to access the app library, organize your apps automatically, or create custom folders. This helps keep your home screen clean and clutter-free. You can now change app icons more easily. Use the shortcut apps to create new icon for your apps. Choose an image or design your own to give your home screen a unique look. Next up, let's customize your lock screen. iOS 17 brings some fresh options to make your lock screen stand out. Go to Settings, then go to Wallpaper and choose from dynamic wallpapers that change throughout the day. You can also use live photos or create your own animations. Now you can also add widgets to your lock screen by long pressing and tapping Customize. You can now add widgets for weather, calendar, and even third-party apps. Now let's move on to the control center. iOS 17 allows for more flexibility in arranging your control center. Open Settings, then go to Control Center, and you can add or remove controls. You can now drag them into your preferred order for quick access. iOS 17 introduces new controls for HomeKit devices, quick notes, and even screen recording. You can customize this to fit your daily needs. Long press on any control in the control center to add to quick access, or you can simply tap on plus. You can also switch from dark modes to light mode. Finally, let's look at customizing individual apps to enhance your experience. Safari on iOS 17 supports extensions. Go to the App Store and download your favorite extensions to enhance your browsing experiences. Messages can now have more customization options. Change your conversations, bubble colors, and add custom backgrounds for your chat. Go to Settings, then on Messages, and explore all the options. Now the Notes app now allows for more formatting options and templates. Create custom templates for different types of notes to keep everything organized. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this ultimate guide to customizing your iPhone 15 Pro with iOS 17.